Good morning. Here we are, day one of Drupa for me. Arrived in Düsseldorf last night, so a little bit blurry-eyed. Excited to see what we can find out today with some of our existing suppliers, also some new ones, and look at where print and print technology is going in the next 5 to 10 years. Wish me luck. Well, 2 days later, my feet are throbbing. I've eaten too many currywursts, and wow, what a show! Drupa didn't disappoint. Hugely well attended, very exciting for the print industry in every discipline. People everywhere, lots of machines being bought, lots of happy manufacturers, and I think from my perspective, the automation is the thing that's really stood out for me this show. And I'll put together a great report because I'm really proud of the print industry and what we do. And it's great to be a part of it and be at the forefront. So in 4 years' time, Drupa 2028. Thank you.